So hey guys, well, I decided to do a real chair today because last time the egg chair, I didn't really see that, you couldn't really see me that well. So, sorry, but my room's a big mess here. Today I'm doing a toy review. Hey guys, this is the toy I got. I've wanted it for a pretty long time. It sounds pretty cool. Looks pretty awesome. And yeah, let's try it out. So guys, unfortunately I dropped one of the cups when I opened it and lost one of the Slurpees. But I found a little squishy toy to replace it, so yeah.
It'll have to do.
Okay guys, so this, well, let's try out the toy once I show you guys everything. So, it looks like, it's got a crack. See that? Ew. And slime coming out. See? And, and this moves. And there are bugs on the cup, you see.
Okay, open the freezer.
Okay, let's see what's the freezer. So, I think you will have to shoot.
I think you have to straighten it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think you shoot this into there. Oops.
Oh, you almost got it.
Well, so guys, I also think it goes in that when I get the cup, put it under. And you see, I just pull that down. Almost got it.
Oh, that was close. Restart. Oh, look, the back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and you see, the back's got slime coming out of the tank and everything.
Oh.
Pretty gross.
Okay, try again.
Okay, guys, the flavors are creamy lime and rotten raspberry.
Ooh. Okay, try to launch it back in again. Let's see if you can get it this time.
Well, we'll see. This time, let's go with the other little squishy guy. See him?
Yeah.
Okay, let's stick him on. And
Pull down fast.
woo! And
That was a fail.
failed, I did. Honestly, guys, I love this toy very much. Thank you for watching. So,
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already.
ta-da! Oops.
That was a fail.
Do you think the lid comes off, you guys? Oh, that comes out. Isn't that cool? And so does that.
Huh? You can
So
you can
cool.
use it as your own Slurpee cup.
Yeah. Just put some ceramic on the bottom and
Oh, interesting.
So, and you have to put it on a special way. So, just gonna put that. And who knew this toy was that cool?